right, guys, you know we all love adding family members, four-legged variety especially. A little fur on them to our homes. They really are man's best friend, but not every dog is always the right dog for the situation. Antwan Scott from Carolina Heat K9 joins us. So what does that mean? What are the considerations when you're saying, man, I want a dog?
I would say one of the first considerations would be your lifestyle.
Okay.
How are you active? Are you not that active? Before you just run out and just go pick any type of dog there.
Sure. This is Riggs, by the way, y'all. He's crazy.
Yeah.
Here's an example of maybe if you have a small apartment, you may not want a Riggs in your house, right?
definitely not. And the size of your house.
Sure.
And the space that you have for the dog to run around, for the dog to play.
Like a Great Dane versus like a mini teacup poodle.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. You don't want a too big of a dog for that space. The dog end up knocking things down, tearing stuff up. High energy, low energy.
Okay.
You know, for instance, you don't want an older couple, for say, to have a smaller little dog that's ripping and running around.
Like a Jack Russell. But they can't chase the little guy, right?
Nah, you don't want all that. But one of the best things would be the family.
Okay.
The children. Everyone's going to be involved. The personality of the dog.
Okay.
There's a whole bunch of factors, but I want to say first of all the lifestyle of how you are. That dictates a whole bunch.
Sure.
Of you to get that dog. So.
Sure. You get lap dogs. You have dogs like I love bringing mine. We've got a German Shepherd and a German Shepherd Husky. Well, everybody knows Nixon. You know, I try to bring him everywhere in the truck with me because he's fun just to ride around with.
Yeah.
And some dogs may not fit or different size as well.
Yeah.
What about the breeds like you know, you get the pit bulls? Ones that get the bad names, and they're not bad dogs, by the way. I've had a pit bull for years, but are those considerations a type of dog?
I say that's a personal preference.
Okay.
And then on that with the pit bull, it's the owner.
Sure.
You know, and what you're going to do as far as that. But it's nothing special. It's all about what you want. The cost, paying for the dog.
Sure.
The expenses that comes along with that. So.
Yeah, like a Great Dane would plow down about 17 cans of food versus a little guy may only have one. So yeah, there are some costs to having your four-legged family member, like a kid that never grows up. Right?
Yeah.
Fair enough. You know, when I got my dog, actually when I got Bailey a long time ago, I did a lot of research on exactly that. I spent a lot of time. It's great information on the internet too. Okay. We'll put links to Carolina Heat K9, but just doing some research as to the dog, its behavior, and what you want out of your dog, and that creates a nice 15. Now, come on back here, buddy. Come on. He wants to go play with. Come up, guys. Come up here. You come up and play with the dog. I mean, no wonder. Good gracious. Anyway, Antwan Scott from Carolina Heat K9 Academy here in town. But links for you at abccolumbia.com. And Riggs. Oh my gosh, Riggs is fun, guys. Stay with us. We're coming back.